Hello, this is Paul Milligan for ISE Show TV at ISE 2019. Thanks for joining us. I'm joined today by a very familiar face to all of us. It is Mike Blackman, the MD of Integrated System Events. Hello, Mike.
Paul.
So, ISE 2019, what are are there big themes, big issues? What do people look out for when they come this year?
Well, obviously everything in the AV industry is here again. We've managed to maintain our position as the largest AV and systems integration event in the world. We've grown again, more exhibitors, more space, and we anticipate more attendees as well. So, much more. One theme that's really come to a top this year is 3D mapping, and we're really proud to do things ourselves for it, but also seeing how many exhibitors have got on board and really the amount that's on the show floor. But two particular things. Tonight, we have our keynote with Bart Kraser. And you featured him in your magazine, I believe, as well. And we managed to get Bart to actually not only come as our keynote, but also bring Sviatovid, which is his new sculpture. You see it outside, actually, right now, and that's going to be unveiled tomorrow for the first time.
This is like a world premiere, isn't it?
This is a world premiere for Sviatovid. He's created it. He got the timing ready just to bring it to ISE. And we're really, really proud to have that here. So that's going to be unveiled tomorrow. Bart will be talking tonight about some of the projects he's been doing and what 3D mapping is all about. And then in addition, we worked together with the RAI. As you might have recalled last year, we got involved with the Amsterdam Light Festival and did the World Masters in projection mapping. We decided to go off on our own this time. The RAI worked with us. Next door is the new RAI Hotel, the Enhou Hotel. It's not completed yet. It will be ready at the end of the year. And we thought, well, this would be an interesting project to actually map onto that building. So we worked with the consortium that owns it, OMA, Being, Enhou, and the RAI. And then we found some partners to help us to actually create this. So we've got Lang, who has been a good partner of ours for a long, long time. Panasonic providing projectors together with Lang, Green Hippo, and 10 Feet to actually create the content that's going to be shown. And then one of the issues we had actually was the reflection on the windows, or rather the lack of reflection. Yeah. And Pro Display came in and actually did all the foil for the windows. So about, I think, almost 400 windows have been coated last week with the foil to actually create the projection surface. And we've seen some of the tests running going on, and really Green Hippo and 10 Feet have really come up with some really, really creative content on that involves our branding, our content, as well as creative stuff in there that actually makes it a little bit different. So something I think really marks us on the map for projection mapping.
Yeah. It's great to see so many kind of big names all working together to produce.
Oh, one thing we've learned is never trying to do anything on our own.
Yeah.
We're generalists in this industry. We're focused very, very much only on the AV industry, but we realize that the experts are out there and they're our partners already, being our exhibitors. And we go to them and say, look, here are the ideas. This is what we want to do. Can you help us? And Green Hippo and 10 Feet really came about and said, look, we've got some really cool ideas, some really innovative things to do that will actually show something different. So we said, great.
Yeah, I mean, I called it the biggest AV show on earth. It is. We all know everyone's going to be here, but it's great to see the organisers really make a real huge effort every year to bring something new and something fresh to the show, because it must be easy for it to just, well, it was successful last year, let's do the same again. But you're not doing that, are you?
No, never. We feel the two things we do. We look every year after the show. We wait a few weeks and collect all the information, digest what the results are, and we sit down as a team and we go through every aspect of the show. What was good? What worked? What didn't work? Didn't it work because it wasn't good, or do we need to improve it? Sure. Even the things that did work, can we make them better? So we do that every single year to make sure we're not standing still and creating a new show. But we also believe it's our responsibility as the organisers to create interesting experiences for our attendees. And we strive to do that. We talk with the industry. We have advisory committees made up of representatives from many manufacturers. and we sit with them and talk about, what should we be doing to address this market.
Fantastic. Well, good luck with the show, Mike. Not that you probably need it, but good luck anyway. And keep tuned to ISE Show TV this week for some great videos and some fantastic interviews. Thank you.
Thank you.